All right, so I'm here at Breckenridge, and I just got the max lens mod for the GoPro 9. And it's really cool because you can shake the camera, you can spin the camera, and it'll all stay centered in the same orientation. Check that out. I'm sure you can see the stick shaking, but the camera stays pretty still. So we're gonna give it a shot filming myself today. We'll see how it does. And yeah, looking forward to shredding. What up, Kenny and Kenny's supporters? And if you're new to Kenny's channel, subscribe, smash that like button. He's about to backflip for you guys, and it's insane. Kenny and Benton are gonna do side-by-side backflips since the lifts are like 10 feet long.
Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Yes, I so